With respect to discerning elements that are figurative, in my response to the article in First Things, I list three criteria that can help us to spot figurative language. One would be when the story contradicts the Pentateuchal author's own beliefs. And the example I give is the anthropomorphic descriptions of God in Genesis 2 and 3. The second one would be when the story flagrantly violates common sense and what was common knowledge at the time. And the examples I give would be having sunset and sunrise prior to the creation of the sun, or that the primordial waters could all drain away in just 24 hours, or that the earth could bring forth fruit trees bearing fruit in 24 hours. And then the last one would be if there are inconsistencies, then that suggests a figurative reading. So those would be three criteria that one could use to try to discern figurative elements. But I would agree with what you said at the beginning. I do not think that clear lines of distinction can be drawn. I suspect that mytho-history is more like mixing cream in your coffee than having different colored marbles in a bag.